How to add bots to your Discord server. If you're here wondering how to add bots to your Discord server, well, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open any browser that you want and then type in Discord bots. So you can go ahead and click on this one right here. If you're looking for a certain bot, you can just type it in the search bar right here. So for now, I'm just going to press on this one. So once you find the bot that you want to add, go ahead and press invite. So once you press invite, you'll see it says add to a server. Tap this arrow button and select the server that you want to add it to. So once you press continue, click on authorize right here at the very bottom. So once you do that, you'll see that it has been authorized. You can close this window and open your Discord. So if I click on my study server and I tap my members, you can see that my bot has been added. So that is how you add bots to your Discord server. Also, be sure to check out our website createlogindelete.com, which is linked in the description below for various helpful guides, tips, and tricks for your favorite social media apps and software.